Every morning, you wake up with two choices: remain where you are or push yourself closer to who you want to become. Marcus Aurelius, Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, faced the same choice. In his private journal, Meditations, he taught us how to build ourselves, not for others, but for the person we are meant to be. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into self-development with timeless lessons from Meditations by Marcus Aurelius. If you're ready to level up your mindset and live with purpose, stick around. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Part 1. Control what you can. Release what you can't. First lesson. Control what you can, and let go of what you can't. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Think about your daily life. Traffic, rude coworkers, bad weather. You can't control these things, but you can control your reaction. When we stop wasting energy on the uncontrollable, we gain strength to focus on growth. Comment below one thing you're letting go of today. Memento Mori. Remember, you will die.
Marcus constantly reminds himself of death. Not to be grim, but to stay focused. Meditate on mortality, he wrote. When you realize life is short, you stop wasting time. Imagine if today was your last. Would you still delay your dreams? I used to procrastinate until I started asking myself, what if I didn't get tomorrow? That's when I started this channel. Would you do differently if time was running out? Marcus advises us to free ourselves from others' opinions. We love ourselves more than others, but care more about their opinions. Your worth isn't tied to likes, comments, or validation. Living for approval chains you to expectations that aren't yours. When I stopped chasing approval, real confidence followed, and real growth. The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. When challenges arise, don't ask why me. Ask, what can I learn from this? I once failed miserably at a project, but it forced me to rethink and rebuild better. Without that failure, I wouldn't be here today. Tell us, what's one obstacle you've turned into opportunity? Nature. Not living in forests, but aligning with who you truly are. Every person has a purpose. Fulfillment comes from embracing it. Self-development isn't becoming someone else. It's becoming more of who you already are. Take one step today toward your true nature. Small steps lead to big transformations. Marcus didn't write Meditations for fame. He wrote it for himself. But 2,000 years later, his lessons still guide us. Control what you can. Remember, life is short. Let go of opinions. Turn obstacles into opportunities. Live true to yourself. If you got value from today's video, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below one idea from Marcus you'll apply today. Remember, you have power over your mind. Use it wisely. See you next time.